Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Finastro Cycles. My name is Nitin Bhandari and we'll continue the update on the Nifty with respect to Gann cycles from yesterday's update. Yesterday, as I mentioned, today is going to be a Gann reversal day, and this vertical line here is a Gann reversal date. And interestingly, Nifty made a high above yesterday's high and broke the low also. So this is in technical terms, once a market breaks the resistance point, daily resistance, and closes below daily support, this is considered as very bearish. So for time being, it looks like it is very bearish. It closed exactly on the Uranus line. You can see it here. This is the Uranus price line, pink line. It has closed exactly here. And if I magnify this chart, you can see that now the Gann trend is down, and now the reverse, it has reversed on the downside and on a close above these steps. So tomorrow's close above 15,889 only will make this market back to bullish. Weekly trend is still is up, and weekly reversal point is 15,569. So we have to watch next 2 days that Nifty doesn't break this level. Otherwise, this will be a sharp correction further going forward. Now, what is important tomorrow? I want to put a special emphasis on the how the price line works. So, as I mentioned in earlier videos and in my newsletters, that the this week is very intense with respect to astrological aspects. We have the whole year of this is a Saturn and this is Uranus. So Saturn Uranus square is there all this year. Now the Mars, the planet of aggression, and the stock market has a lot of emphasis of Mars price line across the globe, whether it is S&P 500, Nasdaq, or Dow Jones, even crude oil, gold. So of course Nifty as well. So this Mars will activate this Saturn Uranus square, and tomorrow it will be exactly opposite to Saturn, and on the weekend it will be exactly making a square aspect to Uranus. Now we can see, we'll see that what is the price line for tomorrow is a F&O expiry day. So we want to see and understand if there is any interesting thing is happening, and we'll put the price lines of we'll put a price line of Mars and Uranus at Mars, Saturn, and Uranus. So first we'll put, I'll add here already there is a Mars price line. I'll add Saturn and Uranus price line as well. So let me add, okay, it's Mars line is also not there. So let me edit Mars line, Saturn line, and Uranus line. So tomorrow the aspect is Mars opposite Saturn. So first we'll see what is happening on the Mars opposite to Saturn. So this is a Mars price line and it is opposition. So I'll make in multiples of 45s 45. So this is a Mars price line, red line here. This is a Mars price line, and I'll add the Saturn price line also in the multiple of 45 degrees. So that will also make both together. So can you see that these two lines are merging here? This is a Saturn line. Let me make it darker to understand better. So this green line, this is a Saturn price line, and this is a red line. I'll make thicker. This is a Mars price line. So these both prices are merging tomorrow at this point, at this area. So what does this mean? This means that either prices, either Nifty will come to merge with these prices, because planetary price lines attracts the prices towards it. So this is a very, very important level for tomorrow, which is 15,723.24. So in broader sense, plus minus 10 points, 15,700 to 15,730. This is a important price level to watch for tomorrow, because prices will try and trade at this range. Now if we see in the previous instances what has happened with the Mars and Uranus opposition. So I can put an aspect of angle between Mars and Uranus, sorry, Mars and Saturn, and that is 180 degrees. And I'll give a yellow color to distinguish it, and I'll see. So this also, if you see in the previous instance, prices could travel in this range for the, this is a forecasted price by the software itself, in this range for the Mars opposite Saturn. But what happens, suppose this price goes off, this price is taken down, and something fierce happens. So where could be the next price? So you can see that another price level comes to 15,271, which is too far. So in that case, I need to change the planetary price line configuration from 25 line to 24 line, 45 line to 24 line, to make it to get a better price projections. Okay, so as I did this, the price projections changes. So the price projection changes as you can see it. So this is 24, this is 24. Yeah, so 24, 24. Okay, so the price projections changes to 832, and on the downside, it goes to, so between the earlier price projection somewhere here, as I change the as I change the multiples of the angles, so now the new price projections can be 15,592. So if at all by some, because of how the global markets work and how the global market trades, and today was the last date of quarter, month, and half year, how does it closes, and if it breaks this point somewhere here, the midpoint for both these lines comes to somewhere 15,535. So that this is an important level to keep in mind, 15,539. So this is all right now for the tomorrow's F&O expiry. I always suggest not to trade on the expiry date. It's highly managed and manipulated, as it's a big boys game. I always trade the next contract, so the time decay doesn't harm me. So this is all about tomorrow, and let's quickly see what is happening on the bank Nifty also. Is the bank Nifty looking good? Okay, so here the bank Nifty, this yellow line here, it was a Gann reversal date. So this is coming from here. Let me magnify it. I'm making a blue line. So this was a Gann reversal date, and Nifty made a, bank Nifty made a high, and then it made a low. So if this fall continues tomorrow, the target comes to 34,289. Any close above 35,700, 35,900 will target for 37,465. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this information about financial astrology, please do subscribe, share, and spread the knowledge of financial astrology to others. Thank you once again. Happy trading.